Hello, boys and girls. I feel like my camera is a bit off. I'm using my camera to film today. And how is your weekend going, guys? How is your weekend going? For me, I just do the most mundane things. Like, I don't even know how my weekend go by, but at least I know that I do it. I do things that I'm happy about. Like, since I started 9 to 5 work, I'm like, oh, so this is what the 9 to 5 girlies are going through. But yeah, alhamdulillah, I'm grateful. Today, let's see what I get up to this weekend. Should I say I don't have a plan? I think my newfound favorite thing that I like to do now is to go to, what's it called? Charity shops. Partly because I'm shopping for things that I need things in my house. Like, I still don't have storage units and my things are still everywhere. This looks like it's put together when you're looking at my background, but that's a big fat lie. If I should pan this camera a little bit, I'm not panning it. If I should pan it a little bit, you see all of the mess behind me. But yeah. Also, how do the girlies get behind chiffon scarf? Like, I feel like it's not my vibe anymore. Like, I struggle so much with chiffon. And this is like a silky chiffon, I think. The plan is to go to the charity store, and I'm also trying to like get my dishes are not oven safe. They're microwave safe, but they're not oven safe. But I don't have a microwave, so I've been warming my food in the oven, and I only have one dish that is oven safe. So I'm looking to get some, maybe 2 or 3, maybe, I don't know yet. And from there, I would also look into getting, there was something that came to my head right now, but I can't forget. But let's do my makeup while I yap on here. Let's not get carried away. I still need to go out, get ready, and I'm doing the most, like, I don't even know what to call it, like, just to have something on my face, basically. Like, I'm not applying a primer or any of those things. Like, I'm literally just slapping foundation on my face and keep it moving. I'm going to use concealer, obviously. Let's hope this goes well. I'm using the Huda foundation, by the way, the Easy Blur one. Get some oven safe dishes, and from there we'll see how the day goes. Maybe go to town to get like sweets, like get like dessert. I don't know what they have in town. I have this 2 shade. I just kind of mix it in so it's not too light and it's not too dark. Oh yeah, that's it. I think it's blended alright. Yeah, just to brighten my under eyes. Like, guys, I never used to get circles, like bags, under eye bags. I looked into the mirror the other day. I'm like, since when do I get under eye bag? Like, this 9 to 5 life, it's not for me. Like, I want to be a work from home girl, like remote. I don't know if you guys have seen this TikTok on and this post on TikTok where it's like, oh, the most introverted person going into a career in healthcare is like, how is your day? Like, literally, shut up. My day has nothing to do with you, so don't ask me about my day. That's how I feel sometimes when I go to work. It's like, ugh. And also, I had a cool experience at work the other day. Actually, that was yesterday. Yesterday's Friday. That was yesterday. So I was on one of the wards, and I was there with the technician, and basically, like, this part of my current rotation is like meds reconciliation and stuff like that. So I was with the technicians because apparently it's the technicians do the reconciliation, but because we're all new to this, like, as a pre-reg pharmacist, I'm new to like the procedures and stuff like that. So I was with this lady, and very nice lady, very lovely. She was teaching me like what to do and stuff like that. This nurse came to me, she's like, because obviously I'm in the same uniform as the pharmacist. The technicians have a different uniform, but we pre-reg, you have the same uniform as the pharmacist. So this nurse came to me, I think she's Nigerian. She came to me like, excuse me, can I just ask you something about this medication? This patient, she's taking insulin. Like, is this long acting or short acting? Because the patient has surgery or something like that. Like, do they have to stop the insulin? I'm like, oh, what insulin is that? She said, that's a long acting insulin. She's like, oh, thank you. So she went away. I was like, oh, at first, like when she stopped me, like when she said, excuse me, that I looked back and then she asked that question, I like looked to my side to like the technician. I was thinking like maybe it would take over or something. But in my head, like later I realized like, Maya, this is it. Like one day you would actually be the one in charge. Like they would come to you with these questions. So I answered her. She's like, oh, thank you. So she went to me nuts. But it was such a nice experience. But at the same time, that was like my first nerve-wracking experience. I'm like, I have to answer to this. But it was nice. It was nice. It was. I was able to keep cool. Well, not at first. At first, I did not keep calm. But yeah, I got over that, and the lady was happy. Everyone was happy. That being said, let's try to do a little bit of blush. Maybe a little bit, just a tiny, tiny bit. There was a time where everyone was talking about blush blindness. I'm like, well, as long as it looks pretty, who cares? As long as you like it and you can sleep well at night with it. To be honest, I don't care. I'm using the also Huda setting powder. I have a mirror in front of me, by the way. That's what I've been looking at. You know, like I'm a pro. I can't do my makeup without the mirror. I'm thinking of signing up for like one of those personal makeup class where they will literally just teach me how to do makeup on my face, like how to slay my own face to the gods. Like I feel like that would be such a useful information for me. I think my everyday makeup is kind of getting there, but like the occasional ones, not like I have most like lots of occasion, but there are times where I don't want the everyday makeup. Like I want, give me the powder, give me the contour. I think that's another thing I need to learn how to bronze and contour, like contour and bronze my face. Oh, that would be such a skill to know how to do. It's number 17, not number 17, 17 powder from Boots. I think it's a Boots brand. And honestly, I love this powder so much. Like sometimes I'm like just digging my powder puff, like my brush in it. I'm like, is it catching anything? Like I can't see it on my face. That's how much of a shade match it is for me. And I honestly love it. And it keeps my face matte. And it's not cakey. Small quantity. I've brushed, I've bronzed, I've baked. I didn't bake. I just set my under eye. And that's, I think that's me done. Kiko lip gloss. Out. I need to get some more from Elf just to like give it a bit of color because this is very, very nude. That looks good. Let's just stop this and put myself together and then I'll see you on my way out. And that's about it. I think I'm going to bleach my eyebrows this weekend. But yeah, that's me for now. We're here. Let's go shopping. Like I look like I'm melting away or yeah, let's go upstairs. Let's see what I can find today. This would give me anxiety or what's it called? It would, I'll be so angry if I'm struggling to open it. I don't know. It's not that deep, but it would work. I paid for a desk. I came in here to look at sofas, but I saw a desk, even though it's like pre-packed. So I have to be the one that will do the arrangement. But I really like it. That's one good thing. So I'm going to like reverse my car into the like to the shop entrance and help get them to help me put it in my car. Yeah, that sounds like a good plan. The poor man just helped me lift it like without coming. Like I was supposed to reverse all the way back. Let me show you if you can see it. Like I was supposed to reverse all the way back to the shop entrance, but people kept coming out, so I had to wait. But then he lifted it off the shop. I'm like, oh, thank you. And then it's in my car, good, secured. Now I have to go deal with like assembling the whatever. But I'm not new to assembling. Like, it's not my first rodeo, if I do say so myself. So that should go well. And my next stop is going to be, that's the one I don't know. Should I go to the range? I need a oven safe dish. That's what I need. So let's go. Let's go find those. It's so rich and all nice. Look at the dress. That's nice. This section smells so good. Like so yum. I like this one, this Milan one. But they don't have the smaller one. I don't have money for this one. I want this size, but they don't have it. Oh, but they have the refill. It actually smells so good here. This is so nice, and the fact that it's even long sleeve. Oh, lush. Let's just sit here and yap. Like, honestly, M&S Food Hall is such an elite store. Like, I'm just in there looking at the prices. I'm like, nah, not for me. But since I was like, my original plan was to like actually walk around my town center and get like something sweet basically. But since I'm already like far off town center, I just decided to get some snacks from M&S, and I'm sure this would have banked better if it was a bit warm. They should actually be eating the snack whatever up so that it's not cold. But yeah, that's just it. I also got ginger beer. I hope that tastes nice. I've never had it, but it says sparkling drink made with real ginger. Might as well, you know. It is real ginger. Why not? And I checked my next like fragrance, like home fragrance range. They didn't really have a lot, to be honest. But you see, next, oh my goodness, it was so good. It smelled so good. In next, but they had all the big sizes. The ones that I want, they didn't have the smaller ones. So inshallah, I'll go online and order from them. It smells so good. But yeah, I just had this while I scroll Instagram. Let me shut my mouth up. I don't want crumbs everywhere. My car is already dirty as it is. I don't want to add more things to it. Like, it's so dirty, and I can't find a car wash. I want an hand. I want one of those hand car wash. But everything I've been seeing is the automatic one. But what I actually need cleaning is the inside of my car. It's actually so disgusting. But yeah. Let me see if I can find any close to this place. Because I couldn't find any in my town. There's so much going on around me. Test for the sparkling ginger beer. That's actually really sparkling. And I can smell the ginger. I hope it's not overwhelming. But yeah. Oh, very sparkling. Mm. I think I like this. Mm. I can taste the ginger, but it's not to the point of, you know, when you have like concentrated ginger. I ran out of space on my camera, so my phone to the rescue. So I was saying that actually tasted nice, but it wasn't like overwhelming ginger. Like you could taste the ginger, but it wasn't to the point of like burning your throat or your mouth. It was okay. But yeah, I think I should start going home. I should head back now. It's like what's the time? Let me take a guess. Maybe 4. Let's see. 4:12. So close enough. So yeah, I should hit back now and maybe let's call this a day because I actually don't think I'll be doing much tomorrow. Oh yeah, I still have to put together my table, so I might carry you along for that today, like in the same vlog. But yeah, that's basically it. And my makeup still looks flipping good. Yeah, I should do this to work every morning, but it wouldn't last. Oh, actually, the pharmacy is usually really cool. Like we live in AC, if you get like at least to enjoy that part. But we won't have to go on the ward. It's like so warm. But I like being downstairs. Like sometimes it even gets too cold for me. But I'll take cold over like I mean not too cold, but at least cold over like sweaty warm. If you get what I mean. Yeah. That's the perks of working in pharmacy. It's cool. Like I need to screw this together. The pack came with the screwdriver, but this is not working. And this is going to take me like my hands are going to peel if I'm depending on this. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I'm not going to buy a new one. Maybe I'll ask my neighbors downstairs if they have and I can borrow. Maybe. But yeah, basically I have to just stop here. I'll catch up with you in my next video. Bye. I was ready to give up, but I found another alternative. So we're going with that. The instruction manual